Get your stopwatch out. I'm going to do the impossible. I'm going to explain to you what Azure is in under 2 minutes. Okay, what's Azure? It's everywhere. You hear about it all the time, but what the heck is it? Well, think about it this way. It's a network, but it's not a network. It's completely flexible. It's a server, but it's not actually a server. It's actually 100 servers that house all your data wherever it is you want it to be. So think about it this way. Just like 365 is your email in the cloud, Azure is your network in the cloud. In fact, 365 is part of Azure. So Azure is this infrastructure that Microsoft has created over hundreds of data centers scattered all around the world, and it all comes to you completely transparent. It's constantly evolving, and it's constantly moving, and it's constantly available to you. You can set up Azure to be highly available, 5 nines, which would cost you hundreds of thousands of dollars, you can do for hundreds of dollars a month. So where does Azure live? Azure lives anywhere you need it to. You need to have an instance in Vancouver, Canada, you put one in Western Canada. Your data sits there, everything's fine, right? All of a sudden you need to put something in the US, you open up another Azure server, you stick it in the central US, you access it there. If you're leveraging Azure, you can take your CapEx expenses and make them go away in IT and move them all to operational expenses. So how do you get into Azure? Well, you can do it yourself. Quite frankly, you're probably going to hurt someone, so I would leverage professionals. And quite frankly, that's why we all have jobs here at 2W Technology, is because we're the professionals. We can show you how to leverage the technology of Azure to better your business, to reduce your costs, to make your life easier, and to make IT stop hurting your head. You know the drill. Like and subscribe. Thanks for taking a couple of seconds to learn about Azure, where we can transport your business into the future. Beam me up, Mr. Scott.
This is a countdown clock. Why? Because you have a short attention span. Hey, I get it. You have stuff to make, things to distribute, cat videos to watch. I'm going to take 2 minutes and 8 seconds to tell you about 2W Technologies. Who? Yo, pay attention, there's a cat video at the end. We're the team that teaches our client how to better run their company. See a new and better way of doing business with judicious application of proven technology and expert services. I just used the word judicious. We say, I can do that. And if not, I know someone who can. Let me introduce you. 2W does crazy stuff like implement an Epicor ERP system for a worldwide corporation on Microsoft Azure that travels with the sun. With the sun. We save your bacon when that one person can click that one link that brought that one company you own down to its knees. But you were only down for 17 minutes. Because you let 2W use technology and expert services judiciously. Bam! 2W starts up manufacturers with no servers and zero capital IT expenses. So you don't have to slow down investment in the stuff that you know actually makes you money. But your IT rocks and you keep everyone efficient. You're free to make, distribute, legislate, sell, and heal the sick. No project too big, no client too small. Okay, you might be too small. Call me when you can type. I get it. Right now you're all, who? What? Here's the scoop. We are horse breeders, referees, and apartment owners. Moms, dads, and grandparents. Technologists, enthusiasts, and really, really smart creative people who bring value. And we bring it. Every day. We get up in the morning and bring value to our clients, teammates, and ourselves for one mission. So your IT makes no noise. Shh, our newest client is sleeping. No noise. Your stuff just works. And when there are issues, we are on it like a fly on. Look, IT shouldn't make your head hurt, and it shouldn't make you broke. So if you need a horse breeding, flag throwing, land owning, child rearing, super creative, and smart group of people to fix your ERP and IT issues, then we are your team.